Okay, meron akong tricks. But I need $1. Who got $1?
You have $1?
Meron kayong $1?
One.
Okay, check it out first. Kailangan lang ng $1, okay? Wait ka lang dyan.
Okay.
Kita mo si RP. Yan, okay. Ito yung inabot niya sa akin $1. Okay? Kita mo naman. $1 siya, di ba? Ito naman kung paano gagawin ko dyan, okay? That $1, right?
Yeah.
Watch. Yung $1 mo, ginawa ko ng $20.
Thank you.
Okay. Tignan natin ha, buksan natin. Diba? $20. Babalik ko na sa yung $1 mo.
No.
Pupul ko lang. Okay. Okay. Here you go, Jet. I mean, RB. Peace out, yo.